Reverend Aho, you posed a question to us earlier. You asked, is the church equipped to meet people in spiritual crisis? And I want to pose that back to you. Do you think the church is equipped to meet people who are looking for help? And I'm thinking of churches, capital C, Church Universal, right? And specifically, is the capital C church equipped to meet folks in their concerns about the climate crisis?
Mm. No, is my
Yeah.
first answer. And one of those reasons is like that often we show up to church and listen. We don't get to talk at church. We don't get to share our big feelings. So often, church is a one-way download of like the pastor is up there performing and leading the worship, and we participate. So in that sense, it just and ends up being the coin flip of, does the pastor share your feelings? Or is the pastor concerned about the crisis? And that can come and go. Even with the best pastors, like it's going to come and go whether that's part of their preaching that day. So, um, like roll the dice and land in any available church service, like not going to be the best place to bring your spiritual crisis often. Um, and yes, there's a way in which churches are equipped to deal with spiritual crisis and can be even better equipped, um, because church is usually the only place where we end up talking about issues of really great import, where we talk about the passions of our life, where we talk about vocation, like what is God calling me to do in the world? It better be something important because this all is, you know, this is very important stuff here, and I need to figure out how God is calling me. Yeah, that's the church is the place where that conversation needs to happen. But entry level church, no. Like if you're just thinking about, I think I should go to church, you're probably not going to be met well in your spiritual crisis. But if you take the time to invest in a church relationship, to make friends at your church, then when you have a spiritual crisis, you probably will be surrounded by the people who can carry you through it. Um, yeah.